here we are on the Gold Coast, managing the PR for the Prostate Cancer Foundation's Advancing Quality of Life Conference, all about the latest developments in prostate cancer. And so this is a story that started a few weeks ago with the pre-launch we held here at the conference venue, alerting local media to what was going on. And we also spoke to Channel 10 here locally and Channel 9 about running a series of community service announcements, and we combined that with a series of paid ads in the local newspapers. So it all seems to have worked pretty well. There's more than 1,000 delegates here at this conference. The challenge for us really is about getting media interest in what's happening in the sessions and elsewhere. So we're here on the Gold Coast now, and the conference has actually started. We spent the last couple of weeks doing all the pre-conference PR, trying to get the local Gold Coast newspapers to do stories previewing what's coming up in the conference. Today we've had Channel 10 here. We've got Tony Bartlett from AAP doing stories. A number of the guest speakers have done interviews on ABC Radio and other places. And the fact that we've got almost 1,000 men getting together here to discuss the 3-day prostate cancer and what they can do shows you that this is a really important issue. So far it's going really well. The Newswire stories are really helping. The theme today is all about testing and prevention and treatment. And then tomorrow we're going to move on to looking at issues related to intimacy and quality of life.
They're some of the biggest names in Aussie TV, and they're throwing their weight behind an important men's health campaign.
Because if you get to it early, surviving prostate cancer could happen to you.
We've had at least 4 Newswire stories go out now on AAP. We had them here yesterday. The ABC Health Report has been here doing interviews all day. We've had a photographer here from the Sunday Mail, so we'll see a good story in the Sunday Mail tomorrow. And I'm told that the Channel 10 story ran yesterday in Sydney, so I look forward to seeing that. So it's been a bit of a battle at times. It's always hard to get attention, particularly on the weekend, but progress to date, there's still quite a lot of coverage that's coming in, which has been really good to see. There's just something special about a Channel 9 film crew that makes everybody feel really positive about what's happened on the PR during the day.
Dozens of bikers roaring into Surfers Paradise, raising awareness to the disease some of us aren't keen to talk about.
Rumbling into the coast, a convoy with a cause. A loud show of support for those battling a silent killer. So
our work here is just about done now. Nothing to do except go and check out the media monitoring, see what got picked up, see which websites are covering what's happened in the conference here today. We're pretty pleased. We think it's gone quite well, but it's only the media monitoring that will tell us how well it's actually gone. So if you want to find out a bit more about any of the projects we've talked about in this blog, go to palin.com.au, or if you want to email me directly, my email is down the bottom of the screen.